Hi folks, it's time for another short air conditioning video. Let me catch you up. It has been 1 week and the aircon has now been regassed. I'm going to turn it on here with my button. Now my revs lift. It wasn't doing that before because the system wouldn't turn on when there wasn't enough pressure. So I've got my little quick disconnects on here. Please excuse the noise. And I have low pressure dropping, high pressure doing nothing. I am definitely using those gauges badly. My low pressure pipe is cold. This one is slightly warm. And it's blowing icy cold. The belt actually looks really loose. So I might need to do something about the belt tension. But the aircon is at least now coming on and off as it should, but no signs of leaking. A little bit of condensation there now. Yeah, that pipe's now properly hot. And the aircon compressor is turning on and off the way it should. I don't see any evidence of leaking at my gasket or my O-ring here, or the one that's deeper in the engine bay. So that's all good news. This pipe is getting very hot. This pipe is getting very cold, so that's also good news. However, you could tell there was a however coming. Under here, I am just in front of the rear wheel, and that aircon pipe clearly has some old UV dye on it. Don't see any anywhere else. Just on that one spot. Now the challenge I'll have next is that access to that centre location is tricky because there's a massive centre resonator in the exhaust. I think the next course of action is for me to get the exhaust removed and get a resonator delete pipe made. And then I'll have access up into that area as often as I like, and I can get at the pipes and see if I can effect a leak repair. And in the meantime, I just won't be using the rear aircon system in the car. I'll only use the front, and hopefully that will stop this rear section of pipes getting pressurised and leaking some more. So we'll see how long this current gas lasts. So I can tell now that I definitely have a fluid leak in the rear of the aircon system, so I'm going to run that for a couple of weeks and see how much gas survives. I'll have to look up online how to work those manifold gauges because I'm definitely doing it wrong. It shouldn't read zero pressure. If I end up having to repair the big leak at the back, it'll be exhaust off and probably some new hoses to get that right. I don't want to give up on the rear aircon system, but it might be a lot of work to get that repaired. Watch this space. I'll probably take a break on the air conditioning videos for now. I'll have some other stuff to do on the car after my holiday. I'll do a separate video just updating some of the other content that's coming. So if you enjoy Land Cruiser stuff, if you're learning, do subscribe and let me know what else you would like to see. Thanks everyone, make good decisions if you can, and I'll see you in another video.